up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica. If you are new here, I do videos on motherhood, cleaning, and organization. And in today's video, I'm doing a shopping haul from Wilko and Poundland. Wilko is probably my all-time favorite place to buy cleaning products and home organization products from. I just find their store is really organized and they have tons and tons of stock. I normally shop online. I always talk about how shopping online is the way to go. But a couple of things were out of stock on the website, so I thought I would make an exception to my rule and go ahead and pop into the store in person. And I'm glad I did because they had quite a few things that I was not able to get online. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video and I will show you what I got by way of cleaning supplies and home organization. The first things that I picked up were these gel drain cleaners. Now, I try to use them about once a month to clean out my drains and just to make sure that any kind of gross bacteria or anything like that is cleared out. I use a tiny little bit and it is just kind of like maintenance on my sink and on my tub and in my shower. So these are a fantastic deal at Wilko. They're always on sale, and when you buy them in the shops like Sainsbury's, they're almost double the price. So this is a really good item to get from Wilko or B&M or Poundland or whatever. These are fantastic. Now, I started my B&M haul off with exactly the same product, but this is a different scent, and this is Zaflora. Now, these types of shops always have Zaflora and they always have sales on it, and it's exciting because of course it is in November, and this is the wintry Zaflora. This one is warm cinnamon and this one smells so good. Now, Zaflora doesn't just smell good, it also kills bacteria and viruses. So I like to wipe down my apartment, whether that be the door handles, the kitchen, all surfaces, pretty much everything with Zaflora. Maybe not every day, but very often, to make sure that it is keeping my house smelling good and bacteria free. This is a half a liter, so this is 500 mils of the Zaflora warm cinnamon. And again, they only have it out usually around this time of year, so I always stock up on it. I also picked up a smaller bottle of Zaflora. I've never seen this one, but I think it's part of their wintry line, and it is spiced plum. I also picked up this antiseptic disinfectant cleaner, and I'll probably use this in the bathroom as kind of like a daily dose of antibacterial cleaning. And along the same lines, I got this hand sanitizer. Now, I picked this one up because I've actually not seen one like this in stores before. It's a 250 ml bottle of spray hand sanitizer. So this is useful when you don't really want to have like the gel on your hands. You can just give it a little spray and it disinfect. So I'm really excited about this one as well. It says it's vegan. I didn't realize hand sanitizer would not be vegan, so I'm not sure about that. But in any case, it was a bargain, and I love the idea of a fast drying spray for the hand sanitizer. As you can see, I'm kind of on like an antibacterial disinfectant kick. So I just went ahead and picked up another spray antibacterial antiviral multi-surface cleaner. It's just nice to have these things on hand. And again, Wilko or B&M or these types of stores are fantastic for that because these are so inexpensive and they come in a big bottle. I've never used this particular brand before, so hopefully it is nice. And in any case, it's just great to have this type of product on hand so that you can kind of quickly disinfect your surfaces and clean things, whether that be in your kitchen, your bathroom, or like door handles or things that just kind of tend to kind of accumulate germs. So really excited about this, and this is 750 ml, so it's a big bottle. Still in the kind of cleaning and getting my house clean category is this toilet cleaner. It's nothing exciting, but I recently put out a video. It was like a deep clean of my bathroom, and I am happy to report I have managed somehow to keep it clean. That was a little over like a week and a half ago, but I am out of some cleaning products and I wanted to try this one. I really do not like pine scented cleaning products at all, and this one is red fruit and lemon zest. So hopefully this smells a little bit less nauseating to me than the pine one. So yeah, you have to have this on hand to keep your toilets clean. The next two items are things that I always get from Wilko because they are such good value compared to buying from the big grocery stores. Are bin liners. I got two different kinds. I got a wastebasket liner, which are just kind of like smaller ones, and these are actually lavender scented. Sainsbury's sells the same thing, but it is almost 3 times the price. I also got these drawstring bin liners as well. It's great to have these on hand, and what you don't want is to run out, so whenever I pop into Wilko or any store like that, I always stock up. I'm also going to be doing a video about how to stock up on cleaning products and what products you need, what products you don't want to run out of, so watch this space, keep an eye on it. But one of the things that's going to be on that list are bin liners for sure. Another thing I got from Wilko is one thing I always pick up from Wilko every single time I shop there, and that is this 4-pack of kitchen roll. Now these are actually really good. I don't remember exactly the price, but I think they were like 1 or 2 pounds maximum, maybe even 150. And these are great because they are super absorbent, even though they're an inexpensive product, and they work really well, and they're nice and compact, so they don't take up a lot of space when you're storing them away in your cupboard. Of course, I had to pick up some rubber gloves. I got 2 pairs of rubber gloves in size small. Now, these are really good ones. I love the Wilko brand gloves because they come in small and they fit my hands perfectly and they're super durable. But sometimes, you know, you get cuts in them or they get holes or they leak and you just want to have these on hand. I almost never clean up without wearing gloves, and I just think it's better on your hands, especially if you're going to be using kind of these stronger products to disinfect and to clean. And these come in a lovely pink color, and you'll see me wearing them when I'm doing the deep clean on my bathroom as well. But again, these are things that I don't want to run out of, and Wilko makes the best ones at a very good price. Another thing that I picked up, which is not exactly a cleaning product or an organization product, but it's something that Wilko again does really good prices on, are light bulbs. I picked up this pack of 3, and there is nothing more annoying when you run out of light bulbs and you've got a light bulb that burns out and you can't replace it. So definitely check out Wilko if you are in the market for stocking up on some light bulbs, because these are actually pretty difficult to find at a reasonable price. Again, they sell them at the big grocery stores, but they're almost twice the price. So Wilko is great for staples like this for your house. All right, I've saved the best bits for last. These are the organization products that I've gotten. Part of the reason why I wanted to go to Wilko specifically is because I was looking on Amazon, or I was looking online, and I was finding baskets and I was finding different things, but they were just so expensive. And I know you can get these things in these stores for a fraction of the cost, and I was completely right. So the next few items that I'm going to show you, I got some of them from Wilko and some of them from Poundland, and they were really good value. So the first 2 things that I got from Wilko are very similar to what I got from B&M. These storage baskets, I got 2 of them, and these are really perfect because they're not too big and they're not too small, but most importantly, they are going to fit in my kitchen cupboards. Now, my kitchen cupboards, you will see, are a complete disaster zone, and this is the #1 thing that I've been looking for to help me get them organized. So I got 2 of these, and they fit right next to each other, and they don't look like that cheap plasticky kind of material. I'll try to show you, but they've got a matte finish, and it's almost like a woven plastic material. So it's not quite as nice as if you were to put kind of like an actual woven basket, but I think these will be very sturdy and durable, and they're going to look fantastic in my drawers, and they're going to be very helpful to separate things and keep everything organized. And the other thing that along the same lines that goes with it, I only got 1 because I wanted to see how it fit, but it was this basket. Now I think this looks so good. It's in a very pretty, like dark gray matte color, like matte finish plastic. And again, this is going to be perfect because I've got a cupboard that I cannot easily access, but if I put everything in this basket, I can kind of slide it out and see what is inside. Now, this product is for refrigerator organization, and the reason I picked this up is because you can buy these online on Amazon. There's a couple of brands that do these, but they are so expensive. I mean, they are very pricey. We're talking 10-15 pounds for a little thing like this. And I have purchased a couple of other ones from different stores, from Poundland, from B&M, from various stores, but Wilko has the absolute best, as well as Matalan. Matalan has good ones. But these are fantastic because they are a couple of pounds, and you can put them in the freezer or in the refrigerator, and they just help you keep everything really organized. Now, I popped into Poundland because I know they also do pretty decent storage. I just wanted to see what they had, and lo and behold, they had some really nice baskets. I picked 4 of these gray baskets up, and these are really good because, again, they would just kind of slot into my different cupboards and closets and act as really good ways to keep everything organized and separated. They are from Poundland, so they're not quite as nice, but they're still pretty decent. The color will match the other baskets that I got from Wilko, and these ones, they kind of have a matte finish, but they're just a little bit shinier. But in any case, these are going to be really useful for organizing my kitchen cupboards. So even though they're plastic, and even though they're kind of from a discount shop, they still actually look pretty good. So I'm really pleased with these. I'm sure I'll be able to use these in so many different areas of the house, not just the kitchen. So I'm really pleased with this. And at £1 each, you really can't beat that. It's a fantastic bargain. And last but not least, more refrigerator storage items. I got these. Now these came as a set. Again, it was £1 from Poundland, and these are refrigerator storage. You can really use them anywhere, but they're kind of made for the refrigerator. And these types of containers are so useful for just keeping everything nice and orderly and neat. And you'll see again in the next video how I use everything and how everything comes together. But these are going to be really complementary to the other storage organization items that I've purchased from Wilko as well. All in all, it was a very productive shop out. Sometimes you just gotta go to the store to pick up the things that you need. And if these baskets end up working out, then I will definitely be doing an online order to get a couple more. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This was just a quick one to show you what I got from Wilko and Poundland and to give you an update on my kitchen home organization declutter. So definitely keep watching my next videos if you want to see how I use all of these items in the kitchen and throughout the house. And if you want to just follow along with my home declutter reorganization in general, hit the like button for this video so that I know you like this kind of content, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I post new videos. Until next time, see ya!